Hello there. Currently, as of talking, Ideanomics has dropped down to $2.7, currently destroying what I set for it the other day at 3.5, dropping to. Now, what's going on? We have to realize that currently, pretty much everything EV, everything technology, if we take a look at this graph, is bearish. So we are currently having a massive sell-off across loads of entities and so on. My portfolio anyway is currently looking more red than a bloody tampon, I'll tell you now. What's happening, investors? Welcome to the video and channel. It is Frankie. Today we are talking about Ideanomics and whether or not I am personally going to worry about it. No, I'm not going to worry about it. I've already added to my position as of talking. And again, I don't know where it's going. There's no point even getting the graph up to go over price action because obviously the market's in a bit of a bearish mood as of now. So what I plan to do is just keep an eye on it, pick up more shares if I believe the price is worthy. I picked up shares at $2.8. And just again, I never go all in on mine, so this is my personal preference. You do what you want at the end of the day. I always pick up like a handful of shares and then I leave it, go do anything around the house or something, and then I'll come back. If it's gone low, I'll pick up another handful of shares. I never go all in because you never know if it's going to then drop to one. Who knows at the moment. We've obviously been on a tear as of late. And again, it's just a natural price. It's actually just a natural market correction in my opinion. So we're going to go over and look at this. At the moment, we have a massive gap. If you look at my cursor, massive gap created, massive sell-off. I'm going over CCIV later in another video. Workhorse, I got a lot of hate on the video I done on that. It's currently down exactly where I said I would go. And again, I understand why people thought that, shut up, Frankie. But again, I didn't see the whole bearish market coming. Like, is it classed as a crash? I don't know. It's not. I mean, again, my portfolio has crashed, so maybe it has. So that's exactly how I'm playing it. Already looking on the Yahoo Finance here, the fluctuation in the price is unseen. It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I think you got to think, or again, I always say when I say you've got to, I'm pretty much talking about me. I've got to kind of think, where am I wanting to buy in, how much money. I've sold out on a couple of entities that were not at such a loss, that I would rather pick up shares in like an Ideanomics or a Lordstown Motors, which I've done. And I've got a little bit of cash left in reserve just in case this goes anywhere into the 2.5 mark. I'll definitely be picking up shares then if we do go that way. The last few days the market has been in the red mood. So what can we expect? I think that's what we have to expect, is that it's going to be very volatile, like Ideanomics is anyway, but probably more in the bearish volatility at the moment. So just look at it. Again, the company's fundamentals haven't changed. Nothing has changed about the company, to warrant a price reduction in the share price. So what we're talking about, we're talking that, because it is a broad sell-off across a lot of entities, it's probably nothing to worry about. Again, I can't say that for sure. We could go down to a natural correction of like a 2.5, for example, and we could stay there for ages. I haven't got a clue. No one's got a clue what's happening. It's just a natural correction, I believe. So yeah, I'm just going to sit and wait, look at the shares, pop in now and again, maybe buy more if I have to. I'm not selling any, definitely not selling any. This is just adding to my sharehold. Picked up 100 shares. I'll probably just keep doing that. Maybe have a little look, pick up another 100, have a little look, pick up 100, so on. But that's what I'm planning to do. I'm not worried in the slightest. This is good. Again, it's like I said it in my last video. I like it when it goes down because it allows me to buy at a cheaper price. Who knows what actually is going to happen, where it's going to sit and be comfortable and show that level of support. I don't know. We've pretty much reached the end of the video, and I need to say this now at every single video because I think I didn't expect so many people to watch my last Ideanomics video, and I have to just be a little bit careful how I word things. At the end of the day, I'm not a professional. I am someone who enjoys it. I enjoy doing research. I enjoy making videos of the topic. I highly recommend to not take my advice on anything. You've got to do your own due diligence at the end of the day. Check out other videos. Go check out certain websites that you prefer to read up on news and so on. Remember, if you watch my videos and buy anything or sell anything based on what I say, I'm pretty much talking as far as like a discussion, like I'm sort of leaving open-ended questions and asking open-ended questions, but it's more I'm kind of talking to myself through a camera. And I like to have a discussion with people in the comment section to say if they think I'm right or wrong or whatever. And again, this isn't advice, this is really not advice, so who knows what's going to happen. If you enjoy the company and some of the things I say in my videos make sense, let me know. If I'm talking out of drivel, let me know. I think I know what I'm talking about in certain areas. There's certain areas that I don't even go near because I know I'm talking utter bullshit. But just remember, do not take my advice. Do your own due diligence. And again, we're all in it together. We've all got money in it together. If you're in this company or any other companies, we all want to do well. But remember just to do your own stuff. All right. Anyway, peace out. I'll see you in another video. And I'm not worried. Are you worried? Let me know in the comment section. Peace.